This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video I will tell you how you can fix this error in WordPress File Not Found 404 error. So to solve this error we will have to log into the cPanel or the web hosting, and then we will have to go to File Manager. So here are the files, and now here you can see I don't have any .htaccess file, so we will have to create that first of all. So that should solve the issue, but if that does not solve the issue, then we will see any other method. So let's click on new file, and here we will type HTACCESS. So make sure to add the dot in start of that and write the correct spellings, and then create the file. So here you can see the file. Now you will have to click on edit, and here we have to add the content for that. So here is the content that is by default in the HTACCESS. You can ask ChatGPT to write it for you, or you can find it on Google. I will also provide it in the description, so you can just copy, and after that just go to the file and click on paste, click on save changes. Now let's go back to the website and click on refresh. So that's how you can solve this error. Now this one is showing because the page is not created and the website is now working fine, and I can also go to the dashboard. If you find this video helpful, then do like, and if you have any question or still need any help, you can contact me. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. So that's it for the video. See you next time.